everyone, welcome back to Eric's Everyday Watches. You know what time it is? It's time for another unboxing video. You know I love these. So today I'm going to look at the Orient FUG1H001. It's one of the dress watches. And unlike some of the other more popular dress watches, this one is quartz. Yeah, that's right, it's quartz. So I'm not going to get into the whole quartz versus automatic debate. You know, personally, I think there's pluses and minuses to both. And I never discount a watch based on what type of movement inside, whether it's quartz, automatic, or solar. I love them all. So whether now this quartz Orient is going to have enough pluses to be a contender, to be something that you really want to consider, I don't know. Let's take a look inside the box and find out. Okay, so let's see what we got here. All right, so I personally picked up this one on Amazon for around $70. You know, you can also get it from eBay. It seems like the current price on eBay for these are going for closer to $100. Joma Shop is out of stock on these, which, is actually not surprising because this is not a brand new watch. So your choices of where to get it are going to be more limited. Right off the bat, I got to say this is actually a nice box. Sturdy. I do like the metal on the top with their logo on it. Kind of a nice little touch. Makes it feel a little bit more, I don't know, elevated. So let's go with that. Oh, and you see, they also have the logo on the inside, which is a nice touch. I gotta admit, that is a really nice touch. So, the thing that stuck out to me when I saw this online is that the review photos that people sent in from the actual customers were much nicer than the actual stock photo. So it just seemed like this is a watch that it might really need to be seen in person, to get a good idea of what it looks like. Focus a little bit more here. There we go. Oh. All right. So, very clean looking face, very classic design with those indices, of course. You got the date window at the 3 o'clock day and date, and it's outlined in that metal, which is actually a really nice touch, right? And you know me, I'm a sucker for that sunburst dial. We got a nice sunburst blue dial on this. If I can get it to hit the lights just right without glaring out. So, 100 meters of water resistance down here printed at the 6 o'clock, which is a lot more than you expect for a dress watch, right? I believe the Bambino has more of a 30 millimeter. Of course, that one is automatic and this is quartz. So the specs here, we got mineral glass. We have a diameter without the guard being 40 millimeters. With the guard included, we got 42 millimeters. The thickness on this watch, you know what? Hold on. I'm going to take all the plastic off of this and then get back to you guys. Okay, so that's a little better. Like I was saying, there's a quartz movement in this. We got a mineral glass for the crystal. We have a case diameter without the guards of 40 millimeters, including the guards is 42 millimeters. Looks like an unsigned crown. Oops. Check that out. Case thickness is 9 millimeters. Logo on the clasp, which is always a nice touch. I like how the strap is a combination of polished and brushed. Looks like we got the same thing going on the case. Brushed on the case and the bezel being a nice polish. I gotta say though, just from handling this only for a few minutes, I don't have a lot of faith in this bracelet. If you can hear this, it just feels a little thin. It feels a little chintzy, right? I don't have a lot of faith in it. But the one thing that Orient does really nice is look at all those micro adjustments. Oh my gosh. I mean, that has to easily be 6 or 7 micro adjustments. So that would make it a really nice fit. You know, but as you know, with a lot of my watches, I take it off the standard bracelet and put it on something else. And I think this is one of those watches that could really shine with a nicer strap. I'm thinking maybe like a brown strap, a light brown strap to go with that blue sunburst style. So you guys know the drill. I am going to take this for a spin for a couple of weeks, get back to you with some everyday actual reviews. A review of everyday use, I should say. Nice printing on the back. Screw down case back. Yeah. First impressions, you know, it's nice. I like it. I don't love the bracelet, gotta admit that. But for the actual dial itself, yeah, it's kind of nice. And I do like the fact that it's 100 meters of water resistance. You don't need that on a dress watch, but, you know, it's kind of nice. So there you have it. Just a quick unboxing video today. I'll be back in a week or two and we'll do a full review on this watch. So until then, you know, if you like this video, if you found it helpful in any way, please do me a favor and hit the like button and consider subscribing. Until then, this is Eric from Eric's Everyday Watches, reminding you to buy the watch that you love. And don't pay any attention to what anybody else says or thinks. This is your watch collection and you're the only one that's going to be wearing it. I'll see you in the next video.